Hey guys, back again with another video following up my Dell G5 5000 how to cool down your desktop computer video. So in this video, as you can see, I've swapped out the stock Dell 3060 Ti GPU for a 6600 XT AMD GPU. I got the ASUS Dual OC model. I'll put a description below of the part number. So unfortunately, this intake fan I had in my last video, I had to remove. It does not fit anymore. This GPU is quite a bit larger than the stock Dell. And what I've noticed just doing some quick benchmark tests over the past couple days, this GPU runs at about 65 degrees now under max load. And I'm seeing better frame rates and it's actually quieter. So if you're looking to upgrade or consider selling your GPU, maybe this is something to consider. Thanks a lot for watching, and please comment below if you have any questions. Thank you.